Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today I'm going to be giving an update on Bitcoin and talking about two altcoins that I think have a lot of growth potential. And so I have been talking about cryptocurrencies a lot lately since I think this is where there is a good opportunity for gains going forward. And so if you enjoy this content, please hit the like button on the video. It really helps out the channel. I appreciate it. Also, please leave a comment below if you like me talking about these cryptocurrencies or if you'd like me to stick to stocks on the stock market or if you like the combination of both. I'd be interested to know. Also, if you'd like to join the Patreon group where it gives access to a Discord chat where I do provide my buys and sells, there is a link below for that as well. So please check it out. And so let's get into it. This is the chart here for Bitcoin. It is trading at $59,600. And so I did draw this orange lines here. And as you can see above the top, there is resistance at $60,000. And so we do have an ascending triangle forming here. If it does break out on the upside of $60,000 and close, I expect it to continue, especially since there is a lot of catalyst upcoming with the Coinbase IPO this week. And then there's also other corporations talking about buying Bitcoin. And so I'd like to take a look at this article here. This is mentioning that Walmart may be buying $1 billion of Bitcoin. And so this has not been confirmed yet. It is still a rumor. However, I think there is good potential of Walmart looking into buying cryptocurrencies. And that is because this article here from last year, they were looking into partnering with VeChain to trace food products. And so they're not new into the blockchain industry or cryptocurrencies. And so they are familiar with it. And so I would not be surprised if they did end up buying Bitcoin and adding that to their balance sheet. And so I'd like to look into this article here briefly. And so it's stating that Sam's Club, a China-based subsidiary of Walmart, has partnered with blockchain-based supply chain management platform VeChain to trace food products. And so they are stating here that customers will be able to access detailed information on the origin of products in store by scanning QR codes printed on the packaging for Sam's Club's goods. And so I think they're going to first maybe test this out in Sam's Club, and if it works, then they will bring it to Walmart. That seems to be how Walmart operates. And so I think this is something that could draw a lot of attention to VeChain or even Bitcoin in the whole cryptocurrency space. And so since we are talking about VeChain, I'd also like to take a look at this article as well. And so this was released yesterday. And so this is stating that Salesforce is partnering with VeChain. And so Salesforce has a potential of building thousands of apps on the VeChain Thor blockchain in the future. And so since February, a wide range of use cases as well as enterprise level adoption has worked in the favor of VeChain. And the company operates a supply chain platform powered by blockchain technology, which utilizes the Internet of Things and governance technology to enhance supply chain management systems. And so that is kind of what VeChain focuses on, is enhancing the supply chain systems. And so whether that's in the food industry or any manufacturing industry, this can be applied. And so Salesforce has a lot of different customers. They have over 150,000 customers that they work with now. And so if Salesforce adopts VeChain's technology, this could be very big for VeChain. And so the chief executive officer of VeChain, Sunny Liu, commented on the partnership, saying that it will improve the VET utility exponentially. And so he also stated that it will be making the first trial test on VeChain Thor public blockchain, adding that the company is happy about the Salesforce integration because of the size of the company. And so Salesforce has millions of customers and its valuation has crossed $100 million. The company also has experience and expertise within the industry in different areas. And so I think, like I'm stating, this may increase the price of VeChain. This may also increase the price of Salesforce stock as well. And so that's definitely something to look into if you're interested in that. And so I'd like to take a look at the chart here on VeChain. It is currently trading at 14 cents. This has grown substantially over the last couple of months. I believe it is up almost 7 times. And so this has grown substantially. It has not had a substantial pullback. So that's just something to be aware of since this is trading at all-time highs currently. And so the next cryptocurrency that I would like to talk about is BNB. This is Binance coin. And so this is the platform that I use. It is Binance. And so if you're interested in using this platform, there is a link below. I'd appreciate it if you use that. And so they have much lower fees than Coinbase. And so if you're interested in trading a lot, I recommend using this platform. They also have many different cryptocurrencies. They have almost 300 different cryptocurrencies compared to Coinbase that has about 40. And so they have a much larger variety where you can buy BNB and VeChain. And so this is what I use. And so as we can see, VeChain is trading at $503 currently. This has been going up substantially as well ever since Coinbase has announced that they will be going through with an IPO. And so this is one of Coinbase's competitors. It is an exchange. And so this was trading at about $39 at the beginning of the year. And so it did go up to about $350 and then it pulled back. And so then I did mention buying it at around $200. And so I bought a substantial position and I am up over 100%. And so I'd like to take a look at this tweet here from the CEO of Binance. And so he did tweet that they're going to be doing a coin burn. And so this takes the coins out of circulation forever and it increases the value of the remaining coins. And so he did announce this today. And so the BNB coin burn is going to be happening in a couple of days, which will continue to increase the value of BNB coin. And so I think this is something that's very positive. And so I'd like to take a look at this here on CoinMarketCap. This is the top cryptocurrency exchanges. And so as you can see, Coinbase Pro is number 2. This is going to be going public this week. And so as Coinbase continues to go up, it's going to drive a lot of attention to cryptocurrencies. And then I think this is also going to drive attention to Binance since this is the number 1 exchange. And so they are not planning on going public. However, I believe most of their value is going to be held in the BNB token. And so I think that is something that is going to drive the price up of that as well. And so this is definitely something to keep in mind. Binance has much lower fees than Coinbase, and so it's very competitive to them. And they are also available in 180 different countries, where Coinbase is just available in 43 different states. And so I think that Binance has much larger opportunity here than Coinbase. However, Coinbase is the first company to go public and the most well known. And so if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.